So in this video, we will going to discuss about the binary search. A binary search is a simple and very efficient searching technique which can be applied if the items to be compared are either in ascending or descending order. So design part of it, how we can design this binary search, what is the steps are involved. So the search for key in a list of elements. So first is identify the parameters to function. So that means we want to search for an element in a set group of elements. So naturally you should have a key. So that means which element you need to search. So that is key. So then it's a group of elements. So obviously it should be an array of a single dimension. So int array size, which is open size. Then number of elements. So naturally the nature of the element should be an integer. So int n. Then the second step is return type. So what does it mean? We are returning position of the key item if found. Otherwise we return -1. So that means the position is an integer and -1 is also an integer. So return type is int. Then designing a function body. So let a key is the element to be searched in the array A consisting of n elements. In the array A, element 10 in position 0 is the first element and element 90 in position 8. So that means in an array A, element 10 in position 0, it is the first element, and element 90 in position 8 is the last element as shown below. So that means we have totally 9 elements starting from 0 to 8. So 10, 20, 30, so on to 90. So lowest part is 0, that is 10. Highest part is 8, which is 90. So initial value low is 0, high is 8. So because there are n elements, so n minus 1. That is 9 minus 1, it becomes 8. So in general, it becomes n minus 1. So low is 0, high is n minus 1. Now, initial value is 0, low, high is equal to n minus 1. If low is the high position of the first element and high is the position of the last element, the position of the middle element can be established or obtained using the statement mid is equal to low plus high by 2. In this case, here high plus low divided by 2 will going to give you the mid element. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mid element is the fifth element. The key to be searched is compared with the middle element. So the key value is 50. The mid element is also 50. So what happens? Key is equal to mid. So if key is equal to mid, that is a mid, then return mid, because it satisfies the condition of if statement. So return will be mid. So that means the key element which is to be 50 and also the mid element is also 50. So it will going to return the value of mid. So that is the meaning of this. Suppose if the key element is not there in the mid position, then what happens? So first case is key towards the left of mid. So that means either we have to search it on this side or it has to be searched on this side. So let us take in the middle element to the left side first. If key is less than the middle element, the left part of the array has to be compared from low to mid minus 1. Why? Because mid is this, so the next element is mid minus 1. So here the lowest part is 0, highest part is mid minus 1. So in the case, if you say 30 is the element which I need to search, then what happens? So in this case, if key is equal to a mid, no, because a mid is 50, but key element which I need to search is for 30. So naturally it should go to the left side. So we need to search there. So then what happens? Low will be equal to 0, high will be not mid, it will be mid minus 1. So now note that position of low has not been changed, but position at high is changed to mid minus 1. If key is less than a mid, that means key value that is 0 is less than a mid is is less than a mid? Is 0 is less than 4? Yes. Is 0 is less than 4? Yes. Therefore, high will be equal to mid minus 1. So that means it will comes to this position. That is 3. Next, case 2. If key towards the right of mid, suppose if you are considering, suppose if it is considering the right of mid. So that means the key element, suppose if I consider the 80 as the element, let us say for example. In that case, the key is greater than the middle element. The right part has to be compared from mid plus 1 to high. So then the low will going to become mid plus 1 and high will be high. That is of 8. Now, in this case, here low will be mid plus 1, high will be A8. Note that the position to high has not been changed, but the position of low is changed from mid to mid plus 1. So if key is greater than mid plus 1, then low will be equal to mid plus 1. If key is greater than a mid, then low should be equal to mid plus 1. It should be like that. So now, we will going to take up a simple example of how to search for. Note that entire step of 4 has to be repeatedly executed as long as low is less than or equal to high. Finally, when the value of low exceeds the value of high, indicates that key is not present in an array and return -1. So that means if it is not be able to find the value of a key element in any one of these set of elements, then it will be item is not found. This is how we will going to work with the binary search. So this is the theoretical background of the binary search. And in the next video, we will going to take up the C program to search for an item using binary search.